Well, let's now focus on the other topic today, and a topic that needs more attention. That is of people suffering from long COVID. This is people who may have recovered from the disease but are still feeling the after effects of the illness. The US National Health Agency is in fact studying long COVID, while a recent media report in the UK said that about 140,000 residents in London are suffering from long COVID. People suffer symptoms such as fatigue, breathlessness, brain fog for 12 weeks or more. Many lose their sense of smell. Some complain of sleeplessness as well. Well, to talk more about this issue, we're joined by Dr. Tushar Lakhia, consultant GI and laparoscopic surgeon, Apollo Hospital. Thank you so much for joining us, doctor. And you're also somebody who did suffer from long COVID. First, tell us about your experience.
Thank you very much, and I thank you for my participation here, which I will share my views. Greetings to NDTV viewers also. Now, as a patient, first I'll talk. I had a COVID in early June, late May, where I acquired it from my patient. Probably that was a period where patient was in, say, sort of a non-infective position and infected me. The story is I was admitted with fever and then sequelae of different complications for more than 25 days. I was hospitalized for that. My serial reports of blood, they were gradually increasing. There was the CT scan of chest also showed fast changes. It started from 5 of score to up to 25, and this was a really alarming situation for me and my treating consultants. So this experience I will just give you in one word.
Right.
As a doctor, it was a solitary confinement. That is the first experience which anybody will have. Secondly, lots of things were going on and the treatments were continuously changing from my admission to today. And the worry was mainly affection of various systems during and after COVID. So the first worry was the lung involvement. The lung involvement was avoided by the doctors, physiotherapist, inhalation, by my exercises. And the second thing was the thrombotic elements. Thrombotic elements suspected for lung, cardiac, peripheral vessels, and this storm of reaction of viral infection.
So Dr. Lakhia, because you had this severe COVID illness, do you think that's the reason why your symptoms also lingered on? If you could share, what kind of symptoms you continue to have long after you recovered?
I had weakness, one. I had a potential diabetes which was precipitated during the COVID, and I had slight breathlessness on exertion, for it continued for at least 1.5 months. So this was the main problem. But over a period of 1.5 to 3 months, I gradually recovered by taking care of exercise, pranayam, good nutrition and inhalation, which helped me to go through my lung problem. Luckily, I do not have any other thrombotic or other elements.
Right. Well, that's great to know that you've recovered. Do you feel, Dr. Lakhia, that in India, people know enough about this, the fact that there could be these symptoms that are going to linger on for weeks and weeks, and these are symptoms that need to be managed, as you're telling us how you managed your symptoms. Do you feel that more needs to be done to make people aware about this?
Now, people have to be very aware. One, as soon as they get a symptom, they have to isolate themselves from the family and wherever they are. They have to be frank enough to isolate. Once they are isolated, they should be ready to get investigated, treated, and if necessary, admitted. And then complete the treatment without hesitation and worry. Because as I said, it is a solitary confinement which makes people to run away from the hospital, but they have to stick to hospital unless doctor signals, okay, you go home. And thirdly, COVID first week is a fever, second week is a complication, and the third week is a post complication which if you do not take care will come up. And these are cerebral, where people are having hemiplegia, pulmonary infarction, pulmonary thrombosis, deep vein thrombosis, etc. So this has to be followed up after second week onwards with long-term treatment of anticoagulants, multivitamins, nutrition, exercises, inhalations, etc.
Right. So it's very important to manage that post-COVID period as well, and people have to take care, and it can't be, normal as usual for them immediately. Thank you so much, Dr. Lakhia, for sharing your experience and speaking to us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.